In the 1860s, green was the height of fashion, especially the vibrant, almost glowing shade known as Scheele's green. But there was one terrifying problem. That color was made using arsenic. One woman in London wore a stunning green ball gown to a party. She felt dizzy halfway through the evening and never made it home. Doctors discovered that her dress had poisoned her. The fabric, dyed with arsenic, released toxic particles every time it brushed her skin, or worse, when it warmed up near candlelight. Even worse, the women who made those dresses suffered far more. Factory workers inhaled arsenic dust daily. Their skin blistered, their eyes burned, and their teeth fell out. Some died horribly. All in the name of fashion. They called it the citadine killer green. A beautiful color with a deadly price. For more shocking tales from history's underbelly, like and subscribe. Beauty has never been so dangerous.